This video demonstrates how to run the demo program for the CAN API module. First, the CAN API module is a software component that provides the functionality of the built-in CAN bus interface in RX microcontrollers. The demo program for the CAN bus interface transmits and receives data through the CAN API. The CAN API module supports several modes such as internal loopback, external loopback, and listen only. These modes are useful for testing during product development. In this video, data is transmitted and received using the internal loopback mode, demonstrating the basic operation of the CAN API module. This explanation in this video used the following environment setup. First, import the demo program for the CAN API module. Please watch this video to learn how to import the demo program. The link to the video is provided in the description. Next, enable the internal loopback function by activating line 221 in the main function. After importing, build the imported project. First, check the toolchain version under the project properties. Select the version installed on PC and click Apply and Close. After completing the settings, select the target project and click the Build button. If no errors appear in the console, the build was successful. Prepare to run the demo program by connecting the PC to the board using an E2 emulator Lite. Power the board using the AC adapter. Next, check the debugger and the power supply settings. Right-click the target project Debug as Debug Configurations. In the Debugger tab, change the emulator to E2 Lite, RX. In the Connection Settings tab, configure external frequency, operating frequency, and power supply from emulator, then click Apply when finished. Please follow the on-screen instructions for each setting. Once setup is complete, start a debug connection to the board from E2 Studio. Once connected, open the Renesas Debug Virtual Console view. To open the Debug Virtual Console, go to Renesas Views Debug Renesas Debug Virtual Console. Once Renesas Debug Virtual Console is open, click the Resume button to resume the program. The message sent 99 CAN 0 frames will be displayed. Press switch 2 to show the transmit ID A0 and press switch 3 to show the receive ID A1. Press switch 1 to send the data. If the transmit ID and receive ID do not match, the data will not be received. Next, press switch 3 while holding switch 2. The transmit ID will increase by 1 and change to A1. Press switch 1 again to send the data. This time, the transmit ID and receive ID match, so the receive operation will occur. If the data appears as shown on the screen, the operation was successful. Finally, here is some reference information. The CAN API module provides configuration options both through Smart Configurator and within the program code. The required option definitions are available in CAN API module interface header file. For further details, please refer to the related application note. The link is available in the overview section. For more information, please visit to the Renesas homepage.